Oh, found you. What? She should totally be making a different face right now. I know I'm touching something. Is there something else around here? No, this has to be it. If this is not it, she needs to get this checked out. Or it's a decoy. That's it. 4 figures. I'll just get the general area. Not ideal, but it's better than diddling a vagina tumor. Oh, yikes. I hope it's not a tumor. It's not a tumor. Man, that guy was goater. Crazy. Good for him. Good for him. Still nothing? That's it.
I came.